Hi, it's day 17 of Festive Tangles. I'm Anica Gabrovic, a CZT from Croatia. And today we are going to explore a new tangle from Musterquella website. The name is Flary by Birgit Heinze. It's a cute and a simple one, I would say. It starts with 2 lines. And then I will add 1 line through the middle and then add 2 aura lines or tethered aura lines that are attached to the beginning and the end. Then I will add some more aura lines, and you can grow it any way you want, but you can see that I'm keeping my aura lines a little bit closer at the beginning or on the edges, and then a little bit further away in the middle. But you will see at the end what kind of more or less an ornamental pattern it will make. And there are different, of course, ways to get there, so you can use whatever appeals to you. I think I will just add 1 more aura line on each side to make it kind of plump. And then I'm going to add these tethered aura lines again on the bottom and on top until it looks like an intricate bauble. And finally, I will add this thread on top. So this is the line work, and I will switch to my PN now. And what I will do is fill in each second or maybe even each third. So I'm leaving these first 2 auras without any ink, and then I will ink in this one, but I'm leaving this sparkle in the middle. So this is what we call, it's a tangle enhancer called sparkle. Then I will again skip 2 and then ink in the third. In the same way though, I'm adding ink to the edges and leaving the mid part with a spark. And I will do the same on the opposite side, starting on the edge, flicking my pen so that the mid part is left with this spark. Skipping 2 again, adding and doing the same thing. And now I'm thinking, just for the sake of it, but I will switch to my 01 again just to be able to be more precise. I think I will add another one so that I have the dark one on the edges. There it is on one side. And I will do the same on the opposite side. This one might be a little bit thicker than I maybe planned, but it's fine. I like this cutie. It's really, really nice and looks festive, I think. And now I will add the shades on the bottom and on top. And maybe I'm thinking about while I'm doing this, because it's my first time drawing it as usual, I'm thinking about maybe adding some shade to the sides too. And I think I will do that. So I will add some shades to one side and then to the other side. And at this point, while I'm adding this, I'm not like certain that it was the best decision, but I'm willing to risk and try, and this is what I suggest you to. When you are wondering about something, just go ahead with your instinct and learn from it whether whether it was or wasn't a good decision. It's a learning opportunity, right? And I'm blending this highlight. I think it was quite a good decision. I like the way this turned out. So I think I will stop at this and add the name. I don't know why I started with the black, which is what I don't usually do, and I started adding it on top. But it doesn't really matter because my white is opaque and I will just go over it. So, you know, no mistakes. So this is the cute Flary tangle, and you can, you know, by just adding more of these or making the distance between the first two horizontal lines bigger or shorter, you can turn this into a different kind of shape. You can make it more plump or more elongated, whatever you want. I think it's such a cute tangle. And let me just add a little bit of highlight, just adding dots for an additional spark. And that's it. Thanks for drawing with me, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.